Erythromycin Solution, (NON), is a medication used to treat acne by reducing the number of pimples. It is an antibiotic that works by stopping the growth of bacteria. Some brands of this product contain a large amount of alcohol, which helps to dry extra oils from the skin. The daily dosage and optimal timing for this medication may vary, so it's important to consult with a healthcare professional for the best approach. When using erythromycin solution, (NON), on your skin, make sure to clean and dry the affected area as directed. Then, apply a thin layer of the medication using the applicator or cotton balls/pads, usually twice a day. Remember to wash your hands after use. It's important not to use large amounts or apply this medication more often or for a longer period than directed, as it won't clear your condition faster and may increase the risk of side effects. For best results, use this medication regularly at the same times each day. Avoid getting the medication in your eyes, nose, or mouth. If this happens, rinse thoroughly with water. If your condition does not improve or worsens, inform your doctor. It may take up to 3 months of regular use before experiencing the full benefits of this medication. You may experience burning, redness, itching, or dry/peeling/oily skin when you first start using erythromycin solution, (NON). This is normal as your body gets used to the medication. You may also experience eye irritation. If any of these side effects persist or worsen, contact your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to remember that your doctor has prescribed this medication because they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Most people who use this medication do not experience serious side effects. In rare cases, using this medication may lead to other types of skin infections, such as fungal or bacterial infections. If you notice any unusual skin irritation or other symptoms, contact your doctor. A serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, but seek medical help immediately if you experience symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, especially of the face/tongue/throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice any other effects not listed here, contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you are in the US, call your doctor for medical advice about side effects. You can also report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, call your doctor for medical advice about side effects or report them to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before using erythromycin solution, (NON), make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have, especially to antibiotics like azithromycin or clarithromycin. This medication may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions, so it's important to talk to your pharmacist for more details. Also, be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history before using this medication. If you are pregnant, this medication should only be used when clearly needed. It's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It's not known if this medication passes into breast milk, so be sure to consult your doctor before breastfeeding. For the best results, take this medication as prescribed by your doctor. Be sure to take the correct dosage each day and at the optimal timing recommended by your healthcare provider. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions with erythromycin solution, (NON). This medication may interact with other drugs and herbal products, which could affect how it works or increase the risk of serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. One specific product that may interact with erythromycin solution, (NON), is disulfiram. Always consult with your healthcare provider before taking any new medications or supplements while using erythromycin solution, (NON). If someone accidentally swallows this medicine, it can be harmful. If the person has serious symptoms like passing out or trouble breathing, call 911. Otherwise, call a poison control center right away. In the US, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. This medicine is used to treat acne. It is usually applied to the skin once or twice a day. It is best to apply it at the same time each day. Follow the directions on the package or as directed by your doctor. Be sure to clean and dry the affected area before applying the medication. Apply a thin layer of the solution to the affected area and gently rub it in. Do not wash the area for at least 1 hour after applying the medication. It's important not to share this medication with others, as it is prescribed specifically for your skin condition. Erythromycin solution is usually used as part of a comprehensive skin care program, as recommended by your doctor. Be sure to follow your doctor's advice for the best results. If you forget to use the erythromycin solution, use it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and continue with your regular schedule. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Use it consistently at the same time every day for the best results. When using erythromycin solution, it's important to store it at room temperature and keep it away from heat and open flame due to its flammability. Remember to also keep all medications out of reach of children and pets to ensure their safety. When it comes to disposing of this medication, it's essential to not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. Instead, make sure to properly discard the product and it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to do so. As with any medication, it's crucial to follow the specific instructions provided and take the prescribed dosage at the recommended times. This will help ensure that you receive the maximum benefits from erythromycin solution, while minimizing the risk of side effects. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.